So welcome back to the channel. So this is Jonas and I'm into bikes, cars, SUVs, anything with wheels and even these kinds of bike and DIYs and outdoors. Today we are working on the ZX14 and we are putting on a seat cowl to make it more, aggressive. We already removed the grab handles because I already guesstimated it that this will not fit underneath the cowl, because this is actually, even if I remove this tie downs, because it will be on this position and it's just there. So we remove this. It's just, they are just mounted with 2 bolts. And in order for you to remove this, you just need the key, and it's right underneath here. A very hidden keyhole. So just turn it and then lift this up. So underneath, this is where the lock is, and at the same time here. And then this slides, there's 2 slides to here. So the cowl slides over the seats, and then there are mounting points. There are 4 mounting points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think we need probably a flaring nut. Let's see if I have one. So this is the one that I was talking about. So you put a bolt. There's actually a tool for this, and then it's like a riveter, and this will squeeze and make it will pinch the plastic. I've got 2 sizes. So this is the smaller one, which fits the hole but wiggly, not tight fit. So it might not do its job. I don't know. Or this, so we need to drill this to make it bigger, so this will be tight fit. Or we have 2 more options. We can use plastic, so we can squeeze this in like so, and then drill a hole, and then just use, self-tapping screw. Easier. Or this. So it's the same theory, but this will use a more secure self-tapping bolt. Tried it already and it does fit. There. I think, for me, I think this is the winner. This is easier, lighter, and no hassle. Let me know, am I choosing the right hardware? See? Easy peasy. Now all I have to do now is to look for the right bolt. So it has to be bigger than this, enough that it will push this outwards. So this is the advantage of having an assorted of hardware. So we have our screws. There you go. So let's put this on the bike. So slide this towards here, and then just, there you go. Looks good. So let's just clean this and then maybe polish it a bit. There's a lot of scratches and some paint imperfection. I think we need to put something that this will not scratch the bodywork. So I found this foam. I think we can shape it and glue it here. I think 2 sides. We need this to be exactly flush to this, so even if it gets crushed, it will not be pushed in. Now at the same time, I think we need to adjust this, because I don't think it's locking. This is locking, but this is not. And we cannot force it, or else we are going to rub this more, or we will break this. So I think that's my solution. Let me just double check where to mount the foam. Nice, like I measured it. Let's just make sure that there is enough meat poking out. Hopefully that's enough so that it will not rub. I'm guessing this will be a final fitment. I think it's too much. Let's grind it off a bit. See, it's not really locking. Okay, this is good. I don't think it's really latching in. Let's get the scope. There, latches, but you need to force it.